Installation of your new B-O-F E-Z Track Shelving starts with uprights and sway braces. When installing your E-Z Track Shelving uprights, use the included spacer. This will keep your uprights properly spaced from the door frames to maximize LED lighting. There are 4 spots to install sway braces: top front, top rear, bottom front, and bottom rear. All provided sway braces must be installed. The hardware you received with your B-O-F shelving is used to attach the sway braces to the uprights. Please only hand tighten hardware until the shelving has been leveled. Insert the shelf clamps for all shelves based on your planogram. Install the bottom shelf and the top shelf in each door. Once the uprights are leveled, fully tighten all the sway brace hardware. Ensure the posts are plumb and level. Install the remaining shelves on the shelf clamps according to your planogram. Install the price tag molding on the front of each shelf rim. If your system came with a product catcher, please install them on the bottom shelf. Your shelves are ready for product. If you have merchandise available, set the tallest product on the shelf to determine your shelf heights are correct. You can reach B-O-F's shelving experts via email or phone.